So if she's a coach, she's a legit coach. I did the research. Hindi, insurance naman to. Diba, ang daming ganun ngayon, mga coach pero insurance pala. Pero they don't really do coaching. Whatever. Kasi a lot of financial advisors, financial wealth coaches, financial wealth planners, financial coaches, tuturo lang sa'yo how to.
About financial planning, about budgeting, pero yung realization, wala doon eh.
Yeah, the realization that how do you make this person take action? It's my life coaching natin.
Kaya napakagandang combination talaga.
Yeah, kasi it's so important. As I was mentioning earlier, fix the money problem first. Once you fix the money problem, you can go up. You can build relationships, you can build big purposes, charities, whatever, once you solve that money problem.
Pero meron pang underlying doon. Ano ba yung problema talaga?
Yeah.
Kailangan mo na solusyonan. Ano ba yung behind that financial problem? Meron yung story.